Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I have the biggest smile on my face today because I came in Menards to see what sales they would have on the soil or whatever else. Because when they first put stuff out, they have a sale. They didn't have a sale, but they did They don't have the trees out, but they have them in here wrapped. There are Contender Peach. Now, this is in the 5B Iowa area. We're still cold and we're still getting more, like we're going to be 6 below or 6 degrees here soon. But they also have nectarine. They have a brown turkey fig. And all of these are $32.99. They have apricot. And the one that I'm getting is a Rainier cherry. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited because the cherry tree that I have at home, which is the Juliet, I it can cross pollinate. So I'm super excited. And they have I can't see, Black Tartarian. But I just wanted the Rainier because the Rainier cherry is so good. Okay, they have plums. They have a nice amount. All Rosa and a Morris plum. Plums are good, but I didn't even come in here for a tree, okay, but I definitely have it. Northern Spy apple tree. I've not heard of that. They have Gala. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, the Arkansas Black. Oh, oh no. I might have to get it. Oh, I can't, no. But oh my goodness, I will have to because when they have them, you have to grab them because they go so fast. Even if they don't have them out right now, they're gonna go. They're gonna go really fast. And this is the last palette. Macintosh apple. If I see a Granny Smith, I'm gonna have to grab it. Oh, they have a moon glow pear. Oh, look at those clusters of pears. Ooh, that's nice. Have the Bartlett pear. Man. So I think I would want the moon glow, but I'm not getting any other trees right now. I might get that black, that Arkansas black. But oh my goodness, I saw everybody posting videos of trees, and I was like, well, of course we're not going to get any yet because where I stay, there's Home Depot, and then I go farther out, like an hour or so out, and there's Menards, and I knew Menards will have it, but I just want to come on to show you guys that the trees are out. Oh my goodness, I might have to get this Arkansas Black also. Oh my goodness. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, girl, I need to get out of the store. Many blessings.